Oh yeah, guys, what's up, man? This is your boy Dennis here again. Today I'm coming with a brand new video on how to make money online, guys. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share with your friend who is interested in making money online, because in this channel we talk about making money online and the other more stuff. So without wasting more time, let's get to the video. Today we are going to use the website called sorry. We're going to use the website called ATIClicks.net. This is a website that we are going to use today. This is a website that we are going to use to make up to $30 every single video that we watch. So to do that, make sure you stick with me until to the end of this video so that you can understand everything, what you have to do for you to be able to make it that kind of amount. So what you have to do here, first of all, just make sure that you sign up to this website, which is called ATIClicks.net. Make sure you sign up to this website. Once you sign up, there's a lot of things that you have to do here. As you can see here in this website, also I didn't mention that you can make you can cash out using your PayPal, your bank account, or with Amazon card. So there's a lot of things that you have to do here. Actually, for us to be able to make money, we're going to use the method of watching videos. For you, if you are new, just click here where it says register. Then once you register, you have to put your everything here. Then once you're done, you are good to go. For me, since I'm a member already, only going to show you on how you can start making money as soon as possible using this ATIClicks.net. So how do you make money using this website? It's the question that I've been. You make money by just simply watching simple videos, 30-minute, not 30 minutes, 30 seconds videos. Then you're good to go. Simple as that. There's nothing which is complicated. You only watch 30 seconds, or some they're gonna tell you 10 seconds. Simple as that. Then you're good to go. As you can see here, it's a all right, okay, here it is. Here I am. I'm in the right account. I think I was lost. Okay, once you are here, as you can see your balance, withdraw balance, your funds, the fund that you've already received, then the available points. So far I've already earned more than I have 0 because this is a new account. So what you have to do for you to be able to make money is to watch ad. For you to do that, there's a Savage, there's offers. For us, we are going to just click here where it says the earn money. There's a lot of things. There's an ad that you can view here to make more money. But what we have to do is let me show you here to view these ads. This ad, most of them are the banner ads. So what you have to do is to click on these banner ads over and over again. Once you click this, it's going to take you to another website. As you can see, the website is called thepayer.com. Once you are here, just make sure you wait for 30 seconds. And when you are here, most of people that they make and they don't receive their money is when they're here, they just sit without scrolling down all over the website. But for you, if you want to be able to receive the money, just make sure you scroll down, you scroll all over the website for you to be able to make, but don't click on anything here. Just make sure you just scroll down, you check everything, how it works, then you're good to go. But you don't have to click with any, just scroll down everything, see everything until you see that, okay, this is a 30 second, then you're good to go. Just see, once you see 30 seconds, go back to the website. then your money will be created in your account. Then keep on doing the same thing. Once you see this, you can also do the same thing to the other videos for you to be able to make even more money. Do this as many as possible so that you can be able to make more money. Keep on doing that, keep on scrolling to the website, keep on waiting for 30 seconds. It depends with the website. Some of them, maybe you're gonna only use 20 seconds, 10 seconds, then you're good to go. Just do as many as you can. And also there's another more thing that you can do is to refer your friends so that you can earn even more money. Using this ATI Clicks, this website is a unique, as you know, I always provide the unique website or softwares that they will be able to help you to start making money online while you are sleeping. So the other thing that you have to do is to earn money via referring your friends. So you have to do that. You have to refer your friend for you to be able to make even more money, you know. So far I've already made more than 0.00750 cents. This is a man that I've made just by the simple text that I was doing there. So as you can see, it is simple as that, guys. So what you have to do again is to refer your friends and to do many as you can. And also, as you can see, there's a list of withdraw. You can go here and check how most of how people are withdrawing their funds. This is really sorry. Okay, here I'm in my account, but we have to check on how other people are earning money. Okay, withdraw history. Okay, I don't see anything here, but I think you can. Okay, anyway, it doesn't matter, but you can go by yourself and start checking everything. It doesn't matter at all. Go by yourself, check everything, check the website, how it does, but make sure you do as I told you so that you won't regret at the end. So this is a website, it's called aticlicks.net. Go and register this website, start watching videos step by step, and cash out the money. Simple as that. You can cash out using your via PayPal, using your Street Bank account, your card, or your Amazon card. Simple as that. Then you're good to go. So I hope, guys, you enjoy this video. Please make sure you like and share and comment also down below if you don't understand anything. And also make sure you subscribe so that I'll be able to make more content like this one for the future. So thank you so much for watching, and also I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.